Hello, I am HP printer technician in Korea. I fix the printer of HP officejet X series every day. Today's port is one of the HP x476 printers, which is the port over the head air valve. If this port persists, the ink inside the head will be depleted. You need to replace it with a new part to avoid any problems. I check cartridge, the air sound. The problem is air solenoid valve. Replacing the air solenoid valve will be operated normally. I specialize in replay. I specialize in repairing HPX series and page-wide printers. If you have any questions, you can contact us, email or WeChat or kakao talk.